Welcome back to No Grandma Glamma. Today is Sunday. In Chicago right now, it's like the Wizard of Oz down outside. Toto and Dorothy is out there. It's a wind advisory for Chicago, and you hearing things move. Hey everybody. What I want to talk to you guys about, which we're gonna, basically be having a conversation now on my makeup channel. Not just doing makeup, but having conversations. A lot of times I get tongue-tied and I get stuck. Now that's due to something that a lot of people don't know. In 2010, I had a brain aneurysm, which triggered me to have a stroke, which triggers to me having a pulmonary embolism, and that is a blood clot going to your lungs. So I had a bad week. I am survivor of an aneurysm and stroke and the PE, that's the pulmonary embolism initials. So sometimes, I might get tongue-tied, talk a little fast, and it's not done on purpose. It's just something that happens. I'm very fortunate and blessed that I do have most of my functions. It's just sometimes my speech is slurred. And just have patience with me. Like I said, I'm bringing products so you guys can basically get educated while I'm educating myself on these products. I know that, there's a lot of young makeup artists, a lot of makeup artists, period, out there. And you have variety to choose from. But like I said, I'm trying to make the GLAMMA family grow, and I need you guys help to do that. So that's basically it. That's a little history on me. Of course, a lot of people know that I was a Cook County Sheriff for over 20 years, and now I own my own janitorial business. But that's basically it. My grandkids, even though they don't live here, they're here every day with me because they're crazy about their grandma, and grandma's crazy about them. So just like I said, it's a little history. My husband is a producer. He makes beats. I have 4 kids. My son's in college on a scholarship. I have 3 other girls. And that's basically what it is. I believe in God. I believe in that I'm blessed. And I try to share my love. And hopefully you guys can do the same of sharing your love with me. So that's just a quick conversation. I picked this up a while back. It's the eyebrow maker. The eyebrow marker, and it is from Magic, and I got a lot of Magic brushes too. So it says a multi-long tip, prolonged tip. I believe that, yeah, multi-prolonged tip eyebrow marker. Now you guys see me use something like this on my Salon Perfect. This is $2.99 at the beauty supply, and it's a universal brown. So let's see. I already put gel on my eyebrows. I'm working with natural light today, so hopefully I have some different effects. This is how it looks, just like the Salon Perfect grandbaby right there. So I'm gonna start at the base of the eyebrow. Making an eyebrow here.
With every thought of you, a smile hits my face. Each moment we're not together, it feels such a waste.
So now I'm gonna go in with the L Action. I'm starting to pick this up more than LA Pro Girl. It's a thicker, and I just like how it scopes out my eyebrows. Let me show you guys the top. I want to say I got this at my local Walgreens. I think it's like with the brand Seen on TV. That's what I believe this is. One of those brands. taking my e.l.f. small concealer brush. I hope light don't go away. Natural light is so pretty for my highlight. I'm dragging this product down.
Everything will be alright. Take my hand, understand. I don't want you to cry. I'm grinding for the both of us to better.
I use this BH 129 brush just to stipple that product into my skin. I'm going with this next. This is the HD concealer. And it's in a CW08. Put it on the back of my hand. I do go back over with the darker color on my bottom because I don't care for it to be that bright. So that's what I usually do. Okay, like I said, this is just a guide, and I see I want my tail a little bit more sharper. Losing my natural light.
Sure, I'ma make it home tonight. But if I don't, I promise everything will be alright. Take my hand, understand. I don't want you to cry. I'm grinding for the both of us to better our lives.
So basically, this is the finished eyebrow look and the finished review on this magic marker. So this is the magic eyebrow marker, and this is the Salon Perfect On Point. So like I said, the Salon, I didn't have to work that hard, and the magic seemed kind of dry. So this is the finished look. I had to do a little work with it, but far as the review on this product, like I said, it's $2.99. Salon Perfect is around maybe that price, or a little bit more, just a little bit, and it kind of got dry. But like I said, this right here is great for hair strokes, and it's also great for outlining your eyebrows. So and maybe you could outline your eyebrows with this and fill them in with another product. So that's something I gotta try too. And also I have noticed too that when we do reviews, or when I personally do reviews, when I go back and get that product, sometimes it looks a lot better. So $2.99, why not pick it up? Alright, so thank you guys for watching No Grandma Glamma. Please hit that button to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so when I upload videos, you guys will get notified. And hit thumbs up if you like this video. So that's my review. No Grandma Glamma.